Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail themes. This will help you add beauty to your Gmail and also help you differentiate if you are signing into multiple accounts such as your work or personal account. Now what you want to do is sign in into your Gmail account, and once in the email you want to click on the settings gear at the top right corner of your screen here, and here you're going to see themes. Now click on view all, and here you'll find images that you can use. If you want more, click on more images in this section, and you see your images as well as photos that are backed up to your Google Photos. You can also scroll down and choose from other templates that they have. So go ahead and choose your preference. This will show you a preview of what it will look like. In the text background here, you'll be able to choose if you want the light or dark theme. Here you'll be able to add vintage. So when you increase on this will add a vintage style. And when you click on blur, you can blur out the image in the background. To save your changes, click on save in this section, and your email template will be changed. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe for more tips.